Amara Necklace and Tourmaline Bracelet from India. Our Amara Necklace is on trend this year with its adjustable, longer length, distinct chain link design and multiple charms. Handcrafted gold tone filigree and genuine labradorite gemstone charms make this necklace a unique and versatile addition to your wardrobe. Our Tourmaline bracelet showcases hues from Pantone's latest fall color palette with ethically sourced, genuine, natural tourmaline gemstones. Gold tone accent beads and an adjustable chain with clasp closure add an additional touch of elegance and ease to this naturally colorful, translucent, and opaque stones. Artisans smooth and polish each rough-cut stone to make this bracelet a stunning, ethical fashion statement. When you shop these latest designs from India, you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your jewelry was created in a workshop that values quality, style, and the people behind their products. Every purchase of our Amara Necklace and Tourmaline Bracelet is an opportunity to make an ethical fashion statement and invest in empowering women and families out of poverty through on-trend fashion as a force for good.